Hi! Today we make a fantastic Bloody Mary. Slice your fresh tomato. A teeny little bit of green chilli. Fresh cucumber. Surprise, surprise. Just a little bit of garlic. We are going to blend all the fresh ingredients. With about 60 ml of water. Lemon, of course. And some celery salt. A little more spice, some crushed black pepper. Time to blend. Give it a good shake and blend once again. Let's rim our Bloody Mary glass. Just in case you are looking at buying some lovely bar tools for your home, do check out BARX. Pour that mix in your shaker. Add your favorite vodka. And the remaining wet ingredients. Some Worcestershire sauce, vinegar, Kasundi mustard. This one's made at home by my dad. Tomato juice. A lot of ice. This one's a flavor bomb. A nice and long shake. Your spicy, flavorsome Bloody Mary is ready. Garnish with some fresh lime. A bit of fresh coriander or dhania. Green chilli. Be careful, this one's hot. And one little olive. There you go. Cheers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.